I am super excited today. Apollo has shipped me a new Phantom. And I have a feeling this is the version 3, so let's get this puppy open. All right, it's a box inside a box. Alrighty, here it is. So right up top, we have the user manual, multi-tool, part of the charging unit, one charging brick, lug nut covers. Trying not to get killed. The safety pin here. Alrighty, so it looks to me like I have 4 bolts. Super easy to put the stem up. I'm gonna mount the handlebars next. But before I do that, I'm just gonna flip through the manual and just double check that everything's tickety-boo. This piece here, and then down under here, you're gonna find 2 more bolts to remove. That looks about right, so I'm just gonna mount that back on and then put the light back on, and then we're on business. I think everything feels about right, but before I actually screw in the light here, I'm just gonna turn everything on to make sure it turns on, and then I'm gonna lock everything down. That is a beautiful display. Wow. Looks like we've got 3 gears. 86, I think that probably means 86% charged. We've got really nice, here, let me just show you the indicators. So we've got regen braking, we've got the accelerator, power on, power off. How long does it take? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. That's pretty much instantaneous. I love that. Wow. I'm super excited by this. I'm just gonna tighten up the bolts, get everything ready to go, and then start planning out for doing a full review very, very soon.